Hey, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Oh, yeah. Correct, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand
Yes.
English?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I'm willing 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Don't have, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm a healthy person, ma'am.
If you feel
Don't have
unwell,
anything.
okay, if you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Actually, I don't have problem, ma'am. Any part of my body is okay, one.
Okay.
I'm a healthy person.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
I don't have, ma'am.
All right. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Actually, this is my second time, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Actually, I decided to work in Malaysia because I wanna learn something from Malaysia also, and I wanna try the custom there in Malaysia, and I wanna help my parents, and also I want to support my child. I have one child, ma'am.
All right. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Rosemary Diquito Delfin from Barangay Napnod, Liganes, Sichupaho, Purok 5, Philippines. I'm 40 years old and I have one son, ma'am. I'm a married person, but we separately already, ma'am.
So you are single right now or you have live-in partner?
I don't have a living partner, ma'am. I'm a single person now.
So you are a single mother.
Yes.
All right. So I need to know some few more details from you first, Rose. When is your birthday?
My birthday is January 16, 1986.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 54, my weight is around 58.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
Actually, I'm a college graduate, ma'am.
So you are a degree holder in what course?
Bachelor of Secondary Education.
You are a teacher. You took.
Yeah.
Mm. All right. So is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yeah, I talked to them, ma'am. They allowed me to apply in Malaysia also.
So who will going to take care of your son later once you come to work here?
My parents. My parents, ma'am.
How old is your mother and your father and what is their occupation?
My mother is around 62 years old. My father is 75 years old. 73 years old, I'm sorry.
What is their occupation?
Actually, my father is to have occupation, ma'am, to stay at home only. But my mother have a sari-sari store, a small sari-sari store.
All right. So how many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother, ma'am. I'm the eldest. Okay.
All right. So according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in KSA way back 2019 to 2025, correct?
Yes, correct, ma'am.
You worked there for 6 years. Is it one employer only?
Actually, I working is for 12 years, ma'am.
Oh, so what year did you started and what year did you finish?
I started 2014. I end up 2026.
Oh, so you just came back.
No.
No, I mean
So,
you just came
sorry,
back
ma'am.
from KSA, is it?
I just come back only from Singapore, ma'am. Actually, my contract there is will be end on April 2026. But my employer allowed me to go home for vacation. But then after that, they say if I wanna for good, I no need to go back already because they don't need a helper also. So they asked me if you wanna apply to other country, you can apply.
All right. So you worked there for
Yeah.
2014 to 2026. In what month of
Yes.
2026?
I come back from Singapore is January 20, 2026 month.
Is it Singapore or Middle East?
Singapore, ma'am. I came from Singapore.
Oh, so it's not in Middle East, it's not in
It's not
KSA.
in Middle East, ma'am.
All
No.
right. So you worked in Singapore way back 2014 to 2026 for 12 years for one
Yeah.
employer only, correct?
One employer only, ma'am.
All right. So what is your
Yeah.
job responsibilities inside the
My job
house?
responsibility there is take good care of the two small children because I started working there. The children is small, ma'am, from 4 years old until they grow up,
All
until
right.
they go university. The eldest one,
All right. So how old is the
and then
children you take care?
the first one, the young boy is from 4 years old to 15 years old.
Okay. The
Same
other one?
same age from my.
The other one?
Another one is uh from 7 years old. Wait, I cannot remember, mommy. I think
Okay.
7 years old
All right. So
to 19 years
you
old.
just started like their ages is 4 years old and 7 years old, correct?
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
correct.
So you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, everything, ma'am. Cleaning the whole house, maintain the cleanliness.
All right. So being an OFW is not new for you as you already got your working experience in Singapore for 1 decade. Okay. So I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, and the houses here is quite big. Really no joke, okay? So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in your previous
Yeah.
employment. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay, I just don't want later that you will going to compare Singapore and Malaysia. Malaysia is quite
Um,
different than Singapore, okay? So are you ready?
uh,
Okay, can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Actually, ma'am, for the small baby, I'd want to try to take good care of the small baby. I'm very scared. So maybe at the around 4 years old, 5 years old, I can take care good
It's
care of that
okay.
one.
So you can do the house chores while taking care of children, but you're not okay to
Yes,
take care infant, correct?
yeah, correct,
Okay, can
ma'am.
you take care elderly people?
I have experience, ma'am.
All right.
Can
So
also.
can you cook Chinese foods, correct?
Yeah, because my previous employer is Chinese, ma'am.
All right.
Pure
Can you
Chinese.
caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
That one, ma'am, I haven't tried. But I maybe I cannot, ma'am, because maybe I'm very scared, ma'am.
It's okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
That one also can. I have an experience.
All right. This is a 2 years contract, same like what you did before to your previous employer. All right. And any uncertain situations, you know that you cannot easily go back home because you will going to sign a two
Okay.
years contract. And once you terminate your
Yeah.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer. And at the same time, the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Actually, that one, ma'am, no problem because the last time I worked in Singapore, from the beginning, I don't have a phone.
All right. So you can hold it during
Yeah.
nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your
Can,
phone
ma'am,
on
no
the next
problem.
morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay
Yeah.
only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yeah, I'm okay, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your son also at the same time knowing that you are a single mother. In Philippines, we can be the boss, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, No such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns,
Okay.
inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now, Rose. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please
Okay,
stay
ma'am.
connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so
Okay,
much and have
ma'am.
a good
Thank you so
day.
much.
Bye.
Thank you